Hello, in front of me I have ACER Iconia One 10-inch model B3-A40, and I'm gonna show you how to enable the Google backup on this device. First, let's open the settings. To do it, you can swipe left on the home screen to go to the next page and tap on the settings icon. In settings, let's scroll all the way down and select the option called backup and reset. Here we have option called backup my data. Make sure that it's enabled. As you can see on my device it is, but if it's not, you can tap on backup my data, and here you have this switch, and you can enable or disable this feature by tapping on the switch. Okay, once it's enabled, go back to backup and reset, and now we need to add the backup account. To do it, tap on backup account. Tap right here on this window, enter the account name or email address. And then tap next. Now I need to enter the password, so give me a few seconds. And once you're done entering the password, tap next. Here tap on I agree. Right here, make sure that the backup to Google Drive is enabled by tapping the switch, and then tap accept. And now we have a backup my data enabled, and we have a backup account. You can also enable or disable the option called automatic restore. Basically, when you reinstall the apps, this option will automatically restore the settings and data for this app if you want to. And that's how you enable the Google backup on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.